Escape to a charming log cabin nestled atop a breathtaking mountain in Arkansas. This secluded retreat offers one cozy bedroom, two full baths, and the perfect blend of rustic charm and modern comfort. This charming cabin is surrounded by 167 plus acres of pristine farmland, rolling hills, and lush forest. This property is ideal for a peaceful getaway, private hunting lodge, or self sustaining homestead. Imagine waking up to stunning panoramic views, breathing in fresh mountain air, and enjoying endless outdoor adventure right from your doorstep. You can hike, hunt, fish, or simply relax in the beautiful surroundings. This property has endless opportunities. Please check out the description to contact with the listing agent. Thank you for watching.